Kasi yung pinakauna kong viral video was the chicken gravy video.
Yeah.
When that came out, yung videos before nun actually did well na eh. But when that one came out, ayun na. Kasi ang dami nang lumapit sa aking brands. I was getting followed by celebrities. I was getting followed by other top food content creators. Yung pinakauna actually na food content creator na nag-follow sa akin was Abby. Siya yung pinakauna. Yung namalaki Siya yung pinakauna.
Algorithm. Thank you, Facebook. Thank you, man.
A few days after si Juju Mao. And then like a few weeks after, finalo na ako ni Erwan. And then bigla nagtuloy-tuloy na parang lahat sila, they started following me. And then, as in,
Na-overwhelm ka,
for
sure.
medyo, this is crazy.
Talon-talon sa
And
condo,
then,
like, yes!
Yo!
Screenshot! Baka bawiin At least I have proof.
hindi to alam ni Abby Marquez, pero nung finalo niya ako, dun sa TikTok, dun niya ako unang finalo eh. Nag-message ako right away. Sabi ko, yo, what the fuck? Yung like sinabi ko, yo, what the fuck? Sabi ko, yo, what the fuck? Kasi sobrang, yo, what the fuck?
Ganun, di ba? Parang, uy, salamat.
Thank you. Pero di nga ako nag-thank you. What the fuck lang ako.
Natural yung reply.
So basically, yun yung point in time na na-feel mo, puta, ito na yan.
Ito na yan. Like
parang
push ko na to. Sagaring, andito na ako eh. Sagaring ko na. Sagaring ko na. And then, nagtuloy to, and then it just worked. So, yun.
So with the whole thing, di ba? Like you entering, di ba? Pasok ka ng condo.
Yeah.
Japorms, di ba? So yung sa fashion, as in pinag-iisipan mo siya all the time. Or dahil galing lang ako sa labas, pasok ako.
And then normally, dati, when it started, pumiyok ako.
Okay.
When I started, hindi ko pa siya masyado iniisip yung outfits. Like, I would just wear something. And then, pero kasi gusto ko na rin talaga pakita yun eh. Gusto ko na rin kahit paano pakita na parang.
Ever since naman may effort ka, or at least napapansin ko
Sa
that
clothes,
you do
yeah.
dress
Yeah.
a certain way, and I'm sure pinag-isipan.
Yeah.
Diba?
So before, it wasn't even that, hanggang ngayon naman, hindi naman ako super like, yo, I gotta wear
Yeah.
whatever.
It's just you.
Pero parang naging part na rin talaga siya nung, I think the fashion and the condo itself is playing second fiddle to the entire show. Alam mo yun?
Parang yun yung sitcom intro mo eh. Enter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Groove jacket.
I think it catches like people's attention eh. Parang sino to? Diba may
Gusto
ganun
ko yung suot niya.
okay to.
Dami bang comments?
Lagi.